Welcome, today in front of me TCL 10 Tab Max, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on the S device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the advanced features. After that, click here to screen recorder and you'll see here sound section. You can just use the microphone if you want. So if you want to command something, for example, or you can change it. If you don't want to use the microphone, you can switch it to the mode, and that's it. Also, we can activate the screen recorder settings by the second way. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and somewhere here, in my case it's here, you should find the screen recorder icon, and just to launch the settings, hold for a while this icon and you'll launch the same screen recorder settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.